to celebrate National Doctors Day. It gives me immense pleasure in introducing our chairman, Dr. V. Chandrasekhar Sir, a doctor by profession. It is my great honor to introduce our chief guest of the day, Miss Suhita M., who is a doctor by profession. And you know, children, she did her schooling from our school. Yes, Miss Suhita, she did her schooling from our school in the batch 2006 2007.
Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Suhita, pediatrician, former student of Standard English School. First of all, happy Doctors' Day to all the doctors who are doing excellent service in this pandemic situation. And it's my pleasure to be here and speak few words about my school and my beloved teachers. I still remember I joined Standard English School second standard. My class teacher was Janet ma'am and lot more teachers on the way to go, like Chitra ma'am, Charlene ma'am, Shibi ma'am, Gayatri ma'am, Chandrakanti ma'am, and Chandrama ma'am are physical trainer. Chandrakanti ma'am, I still love you because you made biology as my favorite subject, which made me to end up as a medical student. Once again, I thank you all of you and our esteemed institution of Standard English School to giving me this opportunity. So, as a pediatrician, I have few tips to tell to parents and the students and whoever listening to this class. So basically, we know now the words like COVID, pandemic, quarantine has been familiar even to a second standard student. Now the kids also know because of the growing technology and media what is pandemic, what is quarantine, and all this. See, for example, school is a one important plays a very important role to build our life and career physically, mentally, socially. But in this present pandemic situation which made our kids apart from school should not hinder their growth and development. So at home I have few tips so that kids can be taken care of and look after them. So basically, so create you have to be yourself a role model for them, like washing your hands. Parents or caregivers should show the children how to wash their hands and what is the importance of washing hands, and they have to wash hands before taking food or after going to restroom. For example, there are few simple steps of hand washing. So, kids, I can't see any of your faces, but I can see some names: Kanika, Charvik. I hope these are second class students. So, I will show you some simple steps. Just wet your hands under the tap, pour some soap, and then rub your palms, back of your palms, interlock the fingers, then rub your back with the knuckles. So both the hands you have to repeat the same. And then you have to rub tip of the fingers and also the thumb. So these are the steps. So you have to follow. At least I hope parents are listening to it. Parents should make kids an habit of hand washing, not only because of pandemic. There are n number of diseases which can affect the kids because of improper hygiene. So hygiene and sanitation plays a very important role. Second thing, you have to be role model by masking whenever you go out. Preferably adults, when they go out, let them wear double masking. So there are n number of rumors what kind of mask, whether we have to buy N95, N55, not necessary. Simple cloth mask is more than enough. They have to inside they have to wear one surgical mask with interlocking or some tie so that it is tight, and outside that they have to wear a cloth mask. So third thing, they have to avoid social gatherings. They can't just go out and talk to neighbors in groups because kids can learn from adults. Kids can learn from parents because when you see, for example, a 1.5 year kid will imitate mothers, whatever mother is doing or whatever inside her caregivers are doing. So they will learn from you. So try to inculcate the habits healthy habits like hand wash, masking when they go out, and avoid children to take out for social gatherings, functions, and birthday parties. Right now, this is the most important. Social distancing. You have to keep away from distance. I know it is difficult to avoid kids to go out from home, but you can make inside home interesting by including some extracurricular activities other than studies, by playing indoor games, helping in household work. All these are a part of life, so let them learn by you. And finally, the utmost important is vaccination. You have to take your kids for regular vaccination. When coming to COVID vaccine, still below 18 years, it is not recommended, but above 18 years, you have to take a step ahead and get vaccinated yourself, because this will provide herd immunity to all the citizens of India. So you have to go forward. Even the lactating mothers, ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಲು ಉಣಿಸುವ ತಾಯಂದಿರು, okay, they also have to take vaccine. It is approved. No confusion in that. So hand wash, hygiene, sanitation, masking, social distancing. Now there is one more main topic where all parents are concerned about. See, is there, oh, now it is third, yeah, good, I can see Charvik with steth, coat, and a sanitizer. It is very important. You have to. But at home, try to use frequently the normal soap. When you go out, you can use sanitizer. Okay. So last question is, I know many of the parents might have, oh, now second, third wave, kids are affected, getting affected more. So should we start some multivitamins, some lim C, vitamin C, which is now familiar to all of you. But this is not necessary if you take a balanced, healthy diet at home. Avoid junk. Junk includes pizza, burger, gobi manchuri, pani puri, golgappa, everything. I am not telling completely restrict that. You have to taste everything, but in a minimal. So it is not, should not be a regular snack. So you have to take healthy home diet, which should include all seasonal fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, green leafy vegetables, everything. So try to incorporate healthy habits like this. So finally, I hope you can understand. You saw how my steps of hand washing. Charvik, Kanika, can you see hand washing? Can you let me know? Good, good, good. So keep hand washing, play at home, play inside home, play with your parents, learn from your parents, learn from your teachers. Thank you once again for the institution of Standard English School, which given me a wonderful opportunity to tell few words about my school and my teachers. Thank you all.
Thank you, Doctor, for your great words of wisdom for our children and for us as well. Thank you very much. Now, children, please give a huge round of applause to our Dr. Suhita, Miss Suhita. Shall we begin? Thank you. Now, yes, thank you.